Let's do one little baby pull. Alright, what is up you guys? It's your boy CA Corey back with another video. We're starting in the parking garage. I know it looks crazy dark, but put the tint down. It's at 5%, so I'm gonna check out some apartments today that one of my boys told me about. He's gonna be moving to West Palm soon, and I wanted to go check it out for myself too, because he said it's really nice over there. So I was like, you know what, let's check it out. So I'll be in sport mode today. Make sure to be in sport. I'll wait till we get out though. I might as well turn it off for now. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I really love my apartment building though, because I don't have to go up like 17 floors just to I don't have to go up 17 floors just to get to my parking garage. That's literally my favorite part about this whole thing. I literally go up, I'm not gonna say the exact floor, but it's not that tall, so that's the best thing about my place. So let's see. It's green. Taking this down to Flagler. We're driving manual today. Yeah, it's apparently close by, so I think I heard of these apartments before, but I never actually like been there like that, so it'd be cool to check it out. Check out the scenery. So we shall see. I'm glad we finally have a nice day. Like I've been so sick of just the rain every single day. Like I'm so glad we just have a nice day, sunny. Like you can't get over this, you know? These guys work quick, man. The way they put up these buildings so fast, it's insane. There's an apartment complex that's being built the other way. They said there's only 4 units left, and nothing is under $1 million. Isn't that crazy? Only 4 units left. God damn, come on, man. I hate people who don't wake up. But nothing's under $1 million, man. But yeah, the fact that this place is so nice, I know for a fact that it's gotta be by the water. Has to be. I see some pictures of it, but yeah, this gotta be by the water because it's beautiful there. Any spot that's along here, you're gonna be paying a little bit extra money for, because you're getting the view of the water right here, the marina. So it's always gonna be a little bit extra money. So we shall see. back here has always been really, really nice. Yeah, this spot's really close to me, actually. When I first moved to West Palm, there was barely any potholes, and now the streets are getting worse. It's getting worse. Oh, damn, I saw that at the last moment. I literally spoke too soon. I said when I first came to West Palm, streets were fine, and now look, man, terrible. Ugh. But yeah, I honestly love West Palm. Like, it's beautiful here. There's always something to do. Yeah, there's always something to do in West Palm. You can never be bored here. The other weekend I went up to Melbourne. It was really nice over there. I thought, honestly, I always just assumed like everywhere up north I'd be getting bored at, but it's not really that boring. So, because it's like you always hear those things about, you know, up north in Florida is where the country people are at, and there's nothing to do, but there's a whole bunch of stuff to do. So down here is chill too. I feel like Florida really caters to like water stuff, like anything to do with the water, like tiki bars and snorkeling, jet skiing. Florida's where it's at. Yeah, it's beautiful here. If you're a person that likes to run or walk, you can literally run this whole strip right here. It's really, really nice. Really, really nice. So definitely suggest that if you're in the area and you're in West Palm and you want something to do that's got a nice scenery, I definitely suggest that. I hate these streets. God damn, man. I hate these roads. Almost there. So yeah, I'm not gonna go in the actual apartment. I just want to see like how the area is and what it's like, since my boy told me it's really, really nice over there. So we'll see. These roads are, I'm telling you, when I first moved here, everything was so smooth. I know there's a lot more trucks now and a lot more people moving here. It's the only downside when a lot of people move where you're at. So it's the only downside. let's see. It's called the Icon Marina Village. So it's got some nice luxury apartments in there, which is pretty cool too. Pretty cool. So cannot complain. But yeah, got some nice apartments in there too. So pretty cool stuff. Let's see. Which building is it? Oh, it's right here. Ah, okay. This is nice. Ah, all right. Yes, some of these spots are nice, man. Okay. Quick little drive through. This is the one little baby pool. A baby pool. It's a baby pool. Woo. All right. I also love coming back here too. It's really nice over here. And it's peaceful, man. It's like when you come to Florida, you don't realize like how nice it is when it's just nice and quiet, but you can still be close to the city, which was back the other way, which we came from. So it's beautiful, man. It's freaking beautiful. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give this video a big like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.